Hello friends, this is Rakesh and today we'll be discussing about computer programming. As we all know, we are living in a digital age, and what's making it digital? Well, it's computers, smart devices, and we should be in a position to tell computers, the smart devices, what to do and how can we do it using computer programming. So in this video we will discuss what is computer programming, why should we do it, how to do it, and what are the benefits and applications, what are the popular programming languages, and where can a beginner start with computer programming, and where do you go if you know already programming. Okay, and this video will not discuss even a single line of code or an idea how to develop a computer program. This is purely an introduction video. Let's go to next slide. Okay, so before writing any computer program, we should know why are we doing it. Okay, so basically if you're a student in a school or college, if you are opted for IT subject, definitely you have to learn some or the other programming language. But if you want to develop something in computers, again you have to learn a programming language. Basically computer do not know anything on its own, you have to tell them what to do. Okay, computer are stupid machines. Computer don't understand human language, they don't understand even human emotions, they only understand binary language, that is ones and zeros. Okay, so one benefit of computing languages, like you can automate your task. And let's see a quote from Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs said, like, everybody should know how to do a computer programming because it teaches you how to think. Definitely it has happened with me. After I've learned programming language, it has certainly changed the way of thinking. Now what is the terms we use in computer programming? Okay, code or program. This is basically a line or a page, a couple of pages of alphabet, characters, strings put together to do a specific task. This can be like adding two numbers, okay, displaying a text on the screen, etc., etc. Now what is a programming language? Okay, programming language is something that computer understands. Okay, it's a formal computer language designed to communicate instructions to a computer. Now what is a software? Software is anything that is on your computer, okay, like VLC media player, your music player, your Excel sheet, okay, your data, all these are software. Okay, and again to manage this we need an operating system. Okay, this video will not discuss anything about operating system, but in order to run a software or application you need operating system. Well, these are the few programming popular languages: C, C++, Java, C#, HTML, SQL, Python, Ruby, etc., etc., etc. Okay, now how do you choose what programming language to use? Basically this is dependent on what you want to achieve. Okay, let's say if you want to develop a desktop application, you can go ahead with C, C++, Java, or other languages, okay, like VLC media player or any small software that you want to use on a desktop or a computer. You can use these languages. Now coming back to embedded system, okay, if you want to write a code for your refrigerator, your fridge, like pressing this button will do this action, you have to learn embedded system programming. Okay, now you have to develop a web page, like your website, like your marketing website page, your Facebook, Twitter, all these are websites. They are designed using web languages like HTML, CSS, PHP, etc. Coming back to mobile, everyone uses mobile, right? So even the mobile is designed using some programming language. When it comes to Windows, it is using .NET. If it is Android, it is designed using Android, and Apple is designed in iOS. Okay, If you want to design a database to store your organization's data, then you have to use SQL language, that is structured query language. Again, artificial intelligence, it also has its own programming language. Okay, apart from that, there is a lot of thing you can do with programming languages. Okay, if you are not a programmer and you're wondering where to start with, okay, so I would suggest to start with C programming language, where it's simple, easy to understand, easy to implement. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.